Welcome to Health Lantern. We are going to talk about everything you need to know about the popular Mediterranean diet. Why it's popular, the science behind it, the disadvantages, help with your grocery list and recipes. Let's jump in. The Mediterranean diet is based on the traditional eating habits of countries surrounding the Mediterranean Sea, such as Greece, Italy, Spain, and others. It has gained popularity worldwide due to its reputation as a healthy and balanced way of eating. The diet emphasizes whole, minimally processed foods, abundant plant-based ingredients, healthy fats, and moderate consumption of fish, poultry, and dairy. Red meat and sweets are consumed in moderation, and red wine is often enjoyed in moderation and with meals. The popularity of the Mediterranean diet can be attributed to several factors. Health benefits. Numerous scientific studies have shown that adhering to the Mediterranean diet is associated with a reduced risk of various chronic diseases, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Balanced and flexible approach. Unlike many fad diets, the Mediterranean diet offers a balanced and flexible approach to eating. It does not restrict entire food groups but focuses on incorporating a wide variety of nutrient-dense foods. Culinary appeal. The Mediterranean diet is known for its delicious flavors, rich textures, and diverse ingredients. It includes an abundance of fresh fruits and vegetables, aromatic herbs and spices, olive oil, and other wholesome ingredients that contribute to satisfying and flavorful meals. The science behind why the Mediterranean diet works. Healthy fats. The diet's emphasis on healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats from olive oil, nuts, and avocados, has been linked to improved cardiovascular health and a reduced risk of heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids. The moderate consumption of fatty fish, such as salmon and sardines, provides essential omega-3 fatty acids. These fats have anti-inflammatory properties, support brain health, and play a role in reducing the risk of heart disease. Antioxidants and phytochemicals. The Mediterranean diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which provide a wide array of antioxidants and phytochemicals. These compounds have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and protective effects against chronic diseases. Fiber. The high fiber content in the Mediterranean diet, derived from whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables, supports digestive health, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and promotes a feeling of satiety. Despite its many advantages, the Mediterranean diet may have a few potential drawbacks. Accessibility and affordability. Some ingredients, such as certain types of seafood and high-quality olive oil, can be expensive or less accessible in certain regions. It's important to adapt the diet to local food options and budget constraints. Individual variations. The Mediterranean diet is based on the dietary patterns of different countries, and there can be variations within these regions. It is essential to understand that there is no single one-size-fits-all Mediterranean diet, and it can be adapted to individual preferences and cultural contexts. Grocery shopping for the Mediterranean diet can be approached with a focus on fresh, whole foods. Fruits and vegetables. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, such as tomatoes, spinach, bell peppers, zucchini, citrus fruits, and berries. Whole grains. Opt for whole grain options like whole wheat bread, brown rice, quinoa, and oats. Legumes. Stock up on beans, lentils, and chickpeas, which are versatile sources of plant-based protein and fiber. Nuts and seeds. Choose almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds for healthy fats and additional fiber. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet. Look for high-quality, cold-pressed varieties. Here are 5 recipe ideas that align with the Mediterranean diet guidelines. Look in the description for more receipts. Greek salad. Combine fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, olives, feta cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice for a refreshing and nutrient-packed salad. Mediterranean veggie wrap. Fill a whole wheat wrap with grilled vegetables like eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, hummus, and a sprinkle of crumbled feta cheese. Bake salmon with lemon and herbs. Season salmon fillets with herbs like dill and oregano. Squeeze fresh lemon juice and bake until tender and flaky. Quinoa tabbouleh. Mix cooked quinoa with finely chopped parsley, tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, lemon juice, and olive oil for a flavorful and nutritious salad. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of nuts for a protein-rich and satisfying dessert or breakfast option. Let us know in the comments what you think about the diet. Have you tried it? Remember to hit the like and subscribe. Click on the next video to continue your path to better health. Have a happy day.